Hey, good morning. Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, and today's Marketing Monday. That means today I bring you a tip on something that can help you in the area of marketing. So let's talk about LinkedIn today. I've been chatting with a few clients recently, and one of the challenges I hear coming up very frequently is I am on LinkedIn. Why isn't it working for me? And inevitably what happens is I will look at their activity feed and we'll have this conversation together, and we'll talk about what are they posting on LinkedIn and how often are you engaging with your network. All right, you ready for a tip? I've got a tip for you. Ready for this? Okay, cool. So here's the tip. I want you to start thinking about LinkedIn differently. Use your homepage to tell and engage, and use your profile to sell. Okay? Don't sell on your homepage anymore. In fact, when you look at my posts, what I try to do is offer a tip or talk about people in my network or engage with my network and even spend some time looking through their posts, making some likes and comments. And really what I'm doing is I'm making deposits into my social media karma account, because I know that those connections will want to repay that to me when I post. And guess what? When I post and I get a lot of engagement on those posts, I make sure I engage back with them. So if you leave me a comment, I will leave you a comment back as well. And that helps to give you visibility. It also helps to keep those posts on the homepage feed longer. Okay, so that's today's marketing tip. Again, tell and engage on your homepage feed and then sell in your profile. Okay, and I'll give you more on that sell in your profile in next week's tip. Have a great day, guys. Again, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. If you like this video, do click to share it with your network as well. Thanks.